Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial price analysis on Chainlink or Link. We're in an indecision alert zone, so listen up. The daily and H4 charts are still neutral, but the price is currently parked on a major daily and weekly demand at $20.80 to $21. The daily uptrend is barely holding, and a clean break could open room for lower prices. Our chart shows multiple fakeouts, and momentum is indecisive. This is a very tricky zone. So here's the game plan. For a bearish risk, a daily close below $21 would be a sell trigger toward $20.10, $19.50, and $18. A decisive loss of $19.50 opens the door to $18 and potentially $16.80. For a bullish path, bulls must reclaim $23 first. Sustained acceptance above $23 sets up a push into $24.80, and a strong daily close above that would confirm a trend continuation. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out!